Did you know that by 2021, AI generated a staggering $1.6 trillion in value globally? That's right, we're living in the era of the AI gold rush, a time of unprecedented growth and wealth creation powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just about developing new technology, it's about the birth of a new form of wealth creation. From reshaping the global economy to transforming the ways we work and live, AI's impact is profound and far-reaching. It has become the engine driving digital transformation, redefining leadership, and reimagining our future. As we navigate through this digital challenge, it's essential to understand that AI isn't just an advanced tool, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. So, buckle up as we delve into this exciting journey exploring how this new gold rush is creating a wave of AI billionaires. Now let's dive into how this new gold rush is creating a wave of AI billionaires. It's no secret that technology has been the driving force behind the world's richest individuals. The rise of artificial intelligence in particular has opened up a new realm of possibilities and potential. This digital gold rush has seen the emergence of a new breed of billionaires, the tech titans, who have harnessed the power of AI to amass unimaginable wealth. Take Elon Musk, for instance, the maverick entrepreneur behind SpaceX and Tesla. Musk has been a vocal advocate of AI, integrating it into his ventures to revolutionize transportation both on Earth and in space. His electric car company, Tesla, uses AI for its self-driving capabilities, a feature that has set it apart in the automotive industry. This innovative use of technology has not only catapulted Tesla to the forefront of the electric vehicle market, but also rocketed Musk's net worth into the stratosphere. Then there's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. Bezos has leveraged AI to transform the way we shop. From personalized recommendations to efficient logistics and delivery systems, AI is at the heart of Amazon's operations. This tech-driven approach has turned the online marketplace into a global behemoth, making Bezos one of the world's wealthiest individuals. And these are just two examples. There are countless others who have capitalized on AI, from tech moguls in Silicon Valley to entrepreneurs in emerging markets. These individuals have understood the potential of AI and have used it to disrupt traditional industries, creating new paradigms and accumulating vast fortunes in the process. But what's truly fascinating is that this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's creating even more opportunities for wealth generation. It's not just about building a successful business anymore. It's about reshaping industries, redefining the status quo, and reimagining the world as we know it. These tech titans have proven that AI is a lucrative frontier for those daring enough to venture into it. But how exactly do these individuals amass such wealth through AI? The answer lies in the strategic implementation of AI and the monetization of data. AI billionaires are those who have mastered the art of turning data into gold. They've harnessed the power of AI algorithms to extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data, which are then used to drive business decisions, optimize operations, and create innovative products and services. One of the most common business models used by AI billionaires is offering AI as a service. This model revolves around developing sophisticated AI algorithms and then selling these services to other businesses. These algorithms can help companies analyze data, automate processes, and even predict future trends. Creating AI-powered products is another path to AI riches. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, AI is at the heart of many of today's most innovative products. These products are not just technological marvels, they are also massive revenue generators. But it's not just about creating products or offering services, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. It's about taking risks and daring to disrupt established industries. It's about recognizing the transformative potential of AI and having the courage to act on it. For instance, think about how AI has revolutionized the advertising industry. By using AI to analyze consumer behavior, businesses can now deliver personalized ads that are more likely to result in conversions. This kind of innovation not only creates value for businesses, but it also paves the way for new wealth creation opportunities. So, the path to AI riches isn't a straight line. It's a winding road filled with challenges and opportunities. It requires a deep understanding of technology, a knack for identifying market needs, and an unwavering commitment to innovation. And let's not forget about the importance of leadership and effective risk management. AI billionaires are often those who are able to inspire their teams, make tough decisions, and navigate the uncertainties of the digital world. As we can see, the path to AI riches is paved with innovation, daring, and a keen understanding of how to harness the power of AI. So, what does the future hold for AI and wealth creation? The future of artificial intelligence is not only promising but also exciting. It's like a vast, uncharted territory filled with limitless opportunities. And as we delve deeper into the world of AI, we uncover more potential for economic growth and wealth creation. Experts predict that the value generated by AI will continue to increase in the coming years, potentially creating a new era of prosperity. The global AI market size is expected to reach hundreds of billions by the end of the decade. With such a massive potential market, it's no surprise that AI is poised to create a new wave of billionaires. But where exactly will these new fortunes come from? Well, the applications of AI are broad and ever-evolving. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, AI's ability to transform industries is practically limitless. In healthcare, for example, AI could revolutionize diagnostics and treatment plans, leading to better patient outcomes and potentially saving millions of lives. In finance, AI could automate and optimize trading, leading to more efficient markets and greater wealth creation. But perhaps the most exciting potential lies in the unknown. It's the new, innovative areas of AI application that we can't even imagine yet. These could be the industries that produce the future AI billionaires. It's the entrepreneurs who are able to identify these opportunities, harness the power of AI, and create value in new, unexpected ways who will reap the greatest rewards. Remember, the AI revolution is still in its early stages. We're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. So, for those with the vision to see the potential, the courage to embrace the unknown, and the determination to forge ahead, the future of AI wealth is ripe with opportunity. The future of AI wealth looks brighter than ever, promising a new generation of AI billionaires. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get a piece of this AI pie? The answer is, there are countless ways to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Firstly, knowledge is power. Start by educating yourself about AI. There are numerous online courses, books, and resources available that can guide you through the basics and even the intricacies of AI. Understanding the technology and its potential will equip you with the tools to identify opportunities and make informed decisions. Secondly, consider investing in AI companies. From startups to tech giants, there are a plethora of firms harnessing the power of AI. Many of them are listed on stock exchanges, and investing in their shares could be a path to share in their success. But remember, investing always comes with risks. It's important to do your homework, understand the business, and make informed decisions. Lastly, why not consider starting your own AI venture? If you have an innovative idea that AI could bring to life, there's no better time to start than now. There's a wealth of resources available for AI entrepreneurs, from funding to mentorship programs. But remember, entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges and risks. It requires passion, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your vision. But don't be daunted by the magnitude of the task ahead. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Whether you decide to learn about AI, invest in AI companies, or start your own AI business, the key is to start. Take that first step. And don't forget, it's never too late to get involved in AI. The field is still in its infancy, and the potential is immense. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a retiree, there's a place for you in the AI gold rush. Remember, the AI gold rush is just beginning. There's still plenty of opportunity for those willing to dig. So there you have it. The landscape of AI billionaires and how you can join their ranks. We've traversed through the gold rush of artificial intelligence, met the new tech titans who've amassed fortunes through it, and explored the path that led them to such astronomical riches. We've also peeked into the future of AI wealth and how it's poised to create even more billionaires in the years to come. The potential of AI as a wealth creation tool is beyond immense. It's a revolutionary force that's reshaping the world as we know it, and creating unprecedented opportunities for those bold enough to seize them. It's not just about the money, it's about being part of a transformative wave that's changing industries, societies, and lives. Now it's your turn. The future is a blank canvas waiting for you to paint it. Dive into the world of AI, equip yourself with knowledge and skills, and set out on your journey towards creating your own AI wealth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI. Remember, the future belongs to those who are prepared for it. So, gear up and start your AI journey today.